Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how to apply for the F-1 student visa to study in the USA in 2025. Make sure to watch this video till the end. I will put all the important links in the description box down below, so make sure to check that out. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, where you can book and check your visa slot as soon as available. So let's get right into it. The first step is to get accepted by SEVP-approved school. So you have to choose a school, apply, and get admitted. This can be a university, college, or even a language school. Once you get accepted, they will provide you with the Form I-20, Certificate of Eligibility for Non-Immigrant Student Status. This form is super important because it shows that you are eligible to apply for the F-1 student visa. The second step is to pay the SEVIS fee and complete the DS-160. So once you have your Form I-20, go to the SEVIS website to pay the SEVIS I-901 fee. The fee is around $350. Make sure to save your receipt. Next, go to the CEAC website to fill out the online non-immigrant visa application, also known as the DS-160. Make sure to keep your DS-160 confirmation page because you will need it for your visa interview. Step 3 is to schedule and prepare for your visa interview. Go to the website of the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate to schedule your visa interview. You will have to pay the visa application fee, which is around $185. Now, for the interview, you will need to bring a few documents with you. So make sure to bring your valid passport, your Form I-20, your DS-160 confirmation page, proof of funding, which can be bank statements or a sponsorship letter, your academic documents such as transcripts and test scores, and finally your SEVIS payment receipt. At the interview, the officer will ask you some questions. Make sure to practice your answers to these questions before the interview. And now step 4, attend your visa interview. So on the day of your interview, make sure to be on time, dress professionally, and answer the officer's questions clearly and confidently. The officer will then make a decision on your visa status. If approved, they will stamp your passport with the F-1 student visa and you will be able to enter the United States. The processing time varies, but it's usually a few days. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll be sure to answer them. Good luck! My next video, what to say and what to avoid in your interview. Remember, prepare well.